Through the course of 25 years being in the business, I found out that there is a demand for quality and service. And what I went ahead is I focused on that. I surrounded myself with the best guys, the best product, and finding those clients I wanted. All my employees have over 20 years experience. I call them old and slow. I don't want them to take 8 hours and get the job done fast. I actually want them to take 2 days, walk away from the job, first take a picture, walk away from the job, feel good about it. I do not put any pressure on my guys to get the job done fast. And I tell my customers that. We want to take our time, get the job done right, make sure that that $10 that they spent, they got 15 back. We have 100 different options, but first we gotta listen to them. We're not gonna force anything on them. And so we take our time. You know, it's not a 20-minute spill or a presentation. Sometimes it can last an hour, sometimes it can last 4 hours. It really depends on the customer. Over 50% of our customers finance. They're big tickets, you know, they can range anywhere from $5,000 to $35,000. And we have probably 20 different options. Anywhere from 3 months, same as cash, to 12 years.